Today on Hammer Wrench Renovation, I got a question for you. How's your bushings on your golf cart? Let's look at how ours are. This is the passenger side. This is how they're supposed to look in position. But you can see there are cracks here in this rubber bushing. See how they're flaking off there? Let me show you the other side. This side, there are 3 missing, and there's still one on the bottom. So I grabbed this box of energy suspension urethane bushings for the end links. Going to put them on both sides and give this thing some more stability. So I'm going to break the 16 millimeter nut off the bolt here, and while I'm here, you can see that much thread there. When I jacked it up, when the it's actually supported some, but this will sit all the way here at the bottom of the shock, and it leaves about that much thread sticking out, and it shouldn't be that way. So after I put the bushings on, I'm actually going to tighten this up with the wheel off. But with some of the weight taken off of it, you can see that there's a little bit of slop here, and it looks like this upper control arm, looks like those bushings are going to need replacement soon as well. I don't have them, so we're going to just go ahead and get into taking these off here. Bottom is a 17-inch millimeter nut. So as you take them off, you want to keep all of the collars and barrels in their correct position. So the energy suspension bushing set comes with new caps. So they're, let's see if the bolt fits in them. Okay, the bolt doesn't fit through them, but the bolt does fit through the bushings. So I'm going to have to reuse these old cups. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to load up the bushings here on this barrel. Some sitting like that. Still got a little bit of debris. Look at that. Can you believe that's 5-year-old suspension bushings? Now I'm going to let some of the pressure down on the jack. You compress the leaf spring to the lower A-arm. I have enough sticking out of the bottom there. Alright, I got the washer and the nut started on the bottom. Use this C-clamp here, give a little more compression. There we go. The other side will be the same. Now I'm going to address this bolt sticking out here. So if you'll watch this gap when I pump it up. See that travel there? That isn't how it should be. Alright, so that is a 3/8 hex head. I'll clean this out in case there's any dirt in there. Wow, look at that. So that top one is tight. I might as well check that other side while I've got the tools out. You can see that bushing just decayed. Collars don't go on the spring. Okay, so that's it. Bushings on your end links on your golf cart. Make sure and check them if you're riding one. These are only 5 years old. Look at the cracks in them. And that's 4 of the 8 that are supposed to be there. It's not safe, and you should be concerned. Take a hard turn, and those bushings aren't there, and you could roll the thing over. So, be safe out there. Check your suspension, and if a wrench doesn't work, use a hammer. See you later.